Hey everyone, Veronica here, and I'm super excited about this new purchase that I found at Trader Joe's. I've been looking for some great reusable food storage bags, especially for freezer meal prep, and I found these at Trader Joe. These are made from reusable silicone food grade material, and they come in a variety of sizes. At first, I found this package right here that has 3 containers in it, so I purchased that one first. It has a small, a medium, and a large size silicone food bag. And after opening these, I'm very pleasantly surprised with my purchase. They seal up really easily, and this little tiny silicone food bag is so cute. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that one, probably put little snacks in it, but for these larger ones, my goal is to use these for some freezer meal prep. Recently, I purchased an Instant Pot to cook my dry beans, and I need containers to store the extra dry beans that I've cooked in the freezer for my easy freezer meal prep. So I'm thinking that these larger bags would be good for storing the cooked beans, but I can also store frozen fruits, smoothie kits, and all kinds of other things in the freezer with these bags. So after purchasing this set of these 3 silicone food bags, I found this larger bag a little bit later at Trader Joe's. I think this is like an even newer product. It's a half-gallon size. It has only 1 package in it. This one was, I think, $5.99, and the set of 3 was about $9.99. So the pricing is not too bad, and I like that these aren't plastic. I like that they're silicone. So this really large one is pretty cool. I think this will be extra perfect for my freezer meal prep of my Instant Pot beans. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of these Trader Joe's silicone food bags, and I hope you like this video and subscribe, and I can't wait to share with you what I do with these. I hope you have a great day. Bye!